Many organizations bring in speakers, they bring in consultants, and they bring in change agents in their organizations to come and resolve behavioral issues within the organizations and expect results within days or weeks. And you know what? This has proven not to be effective. Now the question is, why is that? Theodore Roosevelt once beautifully said, "Human nature is the most important subject to understand if you truly want to be a leader." One of the latest neuroscience-based research from Case Western University has shown over and over again that leaders who possess effective leadership skills outperform those leaders that lack these skills. So to develop these skills requires a science. It requires understanding human nature. It requires understanding of how the brain works, because when you understand how the brain works, you understand the source of human behavior. And this is something that helps you as a leader bring out the best out of your team members. It helps you bring out the best out of your teams, out of employees, because as a leader, your main job and responsibility is to make sure that you replace yourself from the position of leadership by developing other leaders. So, how good are you doing that? Because when you are able to do that, well-being or psychological well-being will increase. Company profits will increase. Company performance will increase. And staff will be retained because people will not be willing to leave the organization or go or resign simply because they are taken care of. That's why it is always said that employees leave bosses, not organizations. And I'm sure that you don't want to be one of those bosses or those managers that employees leave organizations because of. Surely you want to be one of these effective leaders who are resonant leaders, leaders who tend to connect with people and help them bring the best in them. Based on many years of research in the field of neuroscience and feedback received from 13 years of workshops conducted and podcast conversations held with different leaders ranging from chairmen of the boards, CEOs, executive directors, senior leaders, and many others. And all these has led to the development of this toolkit that has been designed with you in mind. And around that, once again, there's also this book that has been authored with you in mind as a leader, and which is entitled The Neuroscience of Effective Leadership. This book has been designed and it includes all the mechanics and all the understanding and the insights that will take you through what human nature is all about. And this will help you to add to your tools as a leader. And this is how you'll become an effective leader. My purpose as Veli Ndaba is to help people save themselves from themselves by transforming their minds from mental darkness to mental light. And to learn more, please visit my website, velindaba.com.